my name is Durrani Blanca. This is my first video on this channel, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an introduction on who I am and what I do. I'm a freelance graphic designer. I've been designing for a while now, and right now I'm specializing in merchandise and apparel. I've been doing this for two years, which is really not a long time. Yeah, but I believe I have a little bit of experience under my belt. I've worked with a lot of brands, both big and small, and I've also worked with musical artists that made posters, covers, things like that. If you found this channel, if this channel found you, maybe you're coming from my Instagram, I welcome you. I really hope everything I post here helps you. That's really the idea behind this, is to educate anyone who wants to learn about Photoshop, about design, and all the little subsets of design that I work within. Yeah, I'm really just here to share my knowledge to anyone who's willing to hear, and I appreciate you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.